Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of EveryAI. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. Simply type a keyword or use the voice prompt. Example: I want to create videos, I want to clone my voice, and EveryAI will instantly search and activate the world's best premium AI models to get the job done, all within the EveryAI app. Access ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Runway ML, Pika Labs, Leonardo AI, DALL-E, Canva AI, Claude 3, Gemini, Copilot, Hugging Face, 11 Lab, LIA, Midjourney, Agent GPT, Jasper, Stable Diffusion, Synthesia, Perplexity AI, OpenAI Whisper, and 350 plus more powerful AI models. And unlock them all with just one click. Without paying a cent in monthly fees or integrating any external API. Transform your ideas into stunning 8K animation videos effortlessly. Whether it's a cinematic masterpiece, an explainer video, or a social media reel. Unleash the power of AI to produce high-definition, visually captivating videos that rival professional studios. Transform your ideas or images into stunning 8K motion videos effortlessly. Whether it's a cinematic masterpiece, an explainer video, or a social media reel. Unleash the power of AI to produce high-definition, visually captivating videos that rival professional studios. Forget stock photos. With a single click, generate breathtaking 4K images from simple text descriptions. Perfect for campaigns, presentations, or personal use. Make your visuals truly unforgettable. Skip the tech headaches. Craft stunning websites and high-converting sales funnels in no time, without coding or expensive designers. Perfect for entrepreneurs, marketers, and dreamers ready to make an impact online. Bring AI to life with custom chatbots designed to engage customers, answer questions, and increase sales. Tailor them to your brand's voice and deploy them on your website or app instantly. Whether you're doing walkthroughs, tutorials, or sales demos, EveryAI records, overlays your voice, and exports polished videos instantly. Skip the editing nightmare. It's ready to upload by the time you finish recording. Say goodbye to writer's block. Instantly generate persuasive sales copy, email swipes, and ad campaigns optimized to convert leads into loyal customers. Sell like a pro every single time. Create bold, beautiful, and iconic logos that leave lasting impressions. Create bold, beautiful, and iconic logos that leave lasting impressions. Whether it's for your business or a client's, your designs will stand out with professional-grade quality. First impressions matter, and your product needs to look premium. Impress your audience with stunning 3D product mockups, no Photoshop or 3D skills needed. Design packaging, digital product covers, and course visuals that pop off the screen. Ideal for ebooks, software, supplements, or anything you sell online. Instantly generate a sleek, fully optimized store, complete with product pages, descriptions, and checkout flow. Whether you're selling physical products, drop shipping, or launching digital offers, this tool sets you up with everything you need to make sales on day one. Create ultra-smart AI assistants for health, e-commerce, dating, business, and beyond. Embed them on your website and watch them handle inquiries, book appointments, or even upsell for you. From thoughts to functional code, in seconds. With AI text to code, your ideas come alive. Simply describe your desired functionality, and watch as EveryAI generates accurate, efficient, and deployable code tailored to your needs. Perfect for developers and non-tech users alike. Launch an AI-powered persona with a unique look, voice, and brand identity. Whether you want a virtual model, brand ambassador, or TikTok star, Your influencer can now be built, styled, and deployed with a few clicks. Great for marketing, content creation, and growing brand awareness 24/7. Uncover hidden insights in images, PDFs, and data files. AI Vision allows you to analyze visual and textual documents, including CSVs and PDFs. Extract, interpret, and organize critical information with unparalleled precision, making data-driven decisions faster and easier than ever. Professional-grade photo editing at your fingertips. Whether you need to remove backgrounds, erase objects, upscale images, or transform sketches into stunning visuals, the AI Photo Studio has you covered. Perform advanced editing tasks like inpainting, outpainting, colorization, and enhancement with just a few clicks. Engage visitors with intelligent conversations. EveryAI's web chat brings your website to life, enabling it to host meaningful interactions. Guide visitors, answer questions, and convert leads with a conversational AI that understands their needs in real time. Mix multiple audio tracks into harmonious perfection. With advanced audio mixing, you can blend up to 20 voices or sounds seamlessly. Perfect for podcasts, music projects, or multi-voice scenarios where clarity and quality matter most. Tailor AI-generated content to match your brand's voice. Train EveryAI to replicate your brand's unique tone, style, and personality. From marketing materials to client responses, ensure every piece of content aligns with your brand identity. Revamp old content into something new and engaging. EveryAI can take any article or piece of text and rewrite it with originality and creativity, preserving meaning while ensuring it's optimized for SEO and readability. Verify authenticity with cutting-edge precision. Ensure your content is 100% original with EveryAI's built-in plagiarism checker. Scan documents in real time to detect duplicate text and maintain the highest standards of integrity. Identify AI-generated content with unmatched accuracy. Analyze any text to determine if it was created by humans or AI. Whether you're verifying submissions or managing online reputation, this tool ensures transparency and trust. Bring WhatsApp to your website for seamless communication. Effortlessly connect WhatsApp to your store, funnel, or website. Provide instant support, close deals faster, and engage with customers in a familiar, trusted platform. Don't you wish you could finally break through the bottleneck you've been stuck in for years? Don't you wish you could finally be able to make money while you are asleep, and have to worry about your expenses? Imagine what it would feel like to be able to afford anything you want, and buy whatever you want, without thinking twice. Imagine how proud your spouse, kids, family, and friends will be when finally all your years of hard work pay off. This is what EveryAI did to us, and what it did to hundreds of our members. It gave them back control over their lives. It gave them the financial freedom they always wanted.